we are. See what we got, y'all. Okay, so now we're getting very close. As we get closer, we see the Macy's men's section, I guess. The Macy's store. We got Nordstrom's right next to it. And that would be directly across the street from our destination, which is right here. It's all buildings. So here we are at the Trump Towers. And as you can circulate it. Now we show into the lobby. I've never been here before, so keep that in mind. I don't know what to expect. It seems like a standard casino, as you can see, just like all the other casinos on the strip. It appears slightly different. Nice little spot. Let's see. Welcome. Oh, I see. Trump store. Excuse me. There's no casino in this one, huh?
No,
it's just a hotel. I'm sorry.
We're non-gaming,
okay.
Non-smoking, non-gaming, stuff like that.
Oh man, hey, did you get eye surgery too?
Yeah, I've had eye surgery.
Eyelid for the eyelid?
15 years ago.
Oh no, I just noticed because I have one too. I was noticed. I have.
Yeah,
you see? Yeah, you see that? Oh, that's wild. Well, thank you, man. That's the first person I met that's just it's like me on that part. Hey, much love, bro. So, here we are. Really nice. Look at these doors. They work well. The other casinos, you gotta push them yourself. All right, well, hope you enjoyed our trip to the Trump Towers. Thank you all. Let's continue our journey.